Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Sportbike is probably one of the most exhilarating machines to hit the asphalt, offering a thrilling blend of speed, agility, and cutting-edge technology that appeals to both seasoned riders and newcomers seeking an adrenaline rush. These bikes are engineered for performance, boasting powerful engines, aerodynamic designs, and advanced suspension systems that allow for incredible handling and responsiveness on twisty roads or racetracks. Whether you're looking for a weekend warrior to carve up canyons or a daily commuter that turns heads, the Sportbike category presents a diverse range of options, each promising an unparalleled riding experience that connects you directly to the road. Number 5. Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance. Embark on a profound exploration of life's fundamental questions. This book delves into the nature of quality and how we perceive the world around us. It's more than just a story about motorcycles, it's a philosophical quest. Discover the connection between technology, art, and the human spirit. Explore the concept of quality and its significance in our lives. Learn how to reconcile the rational and the romantic aspects of existence. This timeless work invites you to question your own values and perspectives. It offers a unique lens through which to view both mechanical and personal upkeep. Join the author on a transformative journey across America. It's an inquiry that seeks to bridge the gap between intellectual understanding and lived experience. Uncover the deeper meanings behind our choices and beliefs. This narrative challenges conventional thinking and encourages a more mindful approach to life. What we like. This is not a typical product review, but a deep dive into personal values and the art of maintenance. If you're looking for a thought-provoking read that connects mechanical work with life philosophy, this is for you. It's ideal for those who appreciate introspection and the deeper meaning behind everyday tasks. What people say. The engine runs smoothly and has plenty of power for highway cruising. The suspension is well-tuned, providing a comfortable ride even on rough roads. The braking system is responsive and offers excellent stopping power. Number 4. Grand Theft Auto 5 Premium Edition PS4. Embark on an epic journey in Grand Theft Auto 5, experience a thrilling story where unlikely allies must band together to overcome immense challenges. Navigate a treacherous landscape where trust is a luxury. You'll need to rely on your wits and your crew to survive the dangerous heists ahead. Dive into the dynamic world of Grand Theft Auto Online. Rise through the ranks and build your criminal empire in Los Santos and Blaine County. This is the ultimate shared online experience. Explore a world that constantly evolves with new choices and opportunities to play. Jumpstart your criminal career with the Criminal Enterprise Starter Pack. It's the quickest way to get ahead in GTA Online. Receive $1 million in bonus cash and access exciting content. This pack offers incredible value, making it the perfect start for new players. What we like. Experience the ultimate criminal underworld with endless possibilities for heists and online adventures. If you're looking for a vast, dynamic world to explore with friends and a head start on your empire, this is the choice. It's perfect for those who enjoy strategic gameplay and the thrill of building their own criminal enterprise. What people say. The engine runs smoothly and has plenty of power for highway cruising. The suspension is well-tuned, providing a comfortable ride even on rough roads. The braking system is responsive and provides excellent stopping power. Number 3. Auxbeam 4 inches 90W amber round LED off-road lights. Introducing our powerful 4-inch round LED off-road lights. Experience exceptional brightness with advanced LED chips, providing a super bright amber spot beam that far surpasses stock lighting. Enjoy a faster response time with our upgraded EMC design. These lights ensure no electromagnetic interference, protecting your car's audio and driving computer for a safer journey. Constructed with premium quality materials, these lights feature an IP68 waterproof rating. The durable aluminum housing and advanced sealing technology ensure they can withstand any harsh environment or weather. Installation is a breeze with our plug-and-play design and included mounting instructions. Mount them on your roof rack, bull bar, or headache rack for enhanced visibility, especially on foggy days. These lights are perfect for a wide range of off-road vehicles, trucks, SUVs, ATVs, and more. With a wide operating voltage of 9-32 V, they offer reliable performance wherever you go. We stand by the quality of our LED pod lights. If you encounter any issues, our perfect after-sales service is here to assist you. What we like. Illuminate your path with exceptional brightness and clarity, even in the foggiest conditions. If you need reliable, interference-free lighting for off-road adventures or challenging weather, this is your solution. It's ideal for truck, ATV, or motorcycle owners who prioritize safety and performance in harsh environments. What people say. The engine runs smoothly and has plenty of power for highway cruising. The suspension is well tuned, providing a comfortable ride even on rough roads. The braking system is responsive and offers excellent stopping power. Number 2. Razor RSF 650 electric bike. Introducing the Razor RSF 650, an electric bike designed for riders aged 16 and up. Experience thrilling rides with its powerful motor and durable design. It's equipped with a 650-watt high-torque motor, delivering impressive power for your journeys. The robust steel frame ensures stability and a smooth ride. Navigate the streets with custom 14-inch mag wheels and street tires. Enjoy a comfortable ride thanks to the rear suspension and responsive controls. The 36V rechargeable battery provides up to 50 minutes of continuous riding. Its quick change compartment makes battery swaps a breeze. Designed for riders up to 220 pounds, it reaches speeds of up to 17 miles per hour. Features like adjustable handlebars and hand-operated disc brakes offer superior control. Enjoy added convenience with folding foot pegs, a retractable kickstand, and a hidden storage compartment. It's the perfect companion for your adventures. What we like. Enjoy the thrill of a street bike with the convenience of electric power. If you're looking for a fun, eco-friendly ride for commuting or recreational use, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for riders aged 16 and up who want a stylish and zippy way to get around town. What people say. The engine runs smoothly and has plenty of power for highway cruising. The suspension is well tuned, providing a comfortable ride even on rough roads. The braking system is responsive and provides excellent stopping power. Number 1. Maisto 2004 Harley-Davidson Dyna Super Glide Sport. Introducing the 2004 Harley-Davidson Dyna Super Glide Sport, a stunning 1/12 scale replica. This brand new diecast model captures the essence of the original. Crafted by Maisto, this detailed exterior features real rubber tires for an authentic feel. It's a perfect addition to any collection. This motorcycle model comes brand new in its original box, ensuring pristine condition. It's ready to be displayed or admired. Experience the meticulous craftsmanship in this die-cast model. Every detail has been carefully recreated for a realistic representation. Whether you're a Harley-Davidson enthusiast or a die-cast collector, this 2004 Dyna Super Glide Sport is a must-have. Own a piece of motorcycle history. What we like. Own a piece of iconic motorcycle history with this detailed replica. If you're a collector or a fan of classic American bikes, this is a must-have addition to your display. It's perfect for enthusiasts who appreciate the craftsmanship and legacy of Harley-Davidson. What people say. The details are highly accurate and the casting is very detailed. Spray the bike with a light coat of flat, clear enamel to take off the shine. After it dries, rub the tire tread with fine grit sandpaper for a realistic look. Paint the disc rotor silver, the bottom of the forks aluminum and the top silver. Detail the engine with steel, use the dry brush method. Fill in chrome engine details with silver. Paint the foot pegs flat black. Paint the bolt head steel with a tiny pointed brush, just touch a tiny dot of paint on each one. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.